Everyone, good day all. I'm Jadaf Nanzi and now I'll tell you about third person singular number. He reads a book, she reads a book, Peter reads a book, Stella reads a book, Babu reads a book, Rana reads a book. He writes a letter, she writes a letter, Peter writes a letter, Stella writes a letter, Babu writes a letter, Rana writes a letter. He goes to school, she goes to school, Peter goes to school, Stella goes to school, Babu goes to school, Rana goes to school. He plays football, she plays football, Peter plays football, Stella plays football, Babu plays football, Rana plays football. He opens the door, she opens the door, Peter opens the door, Stella opens the door, Babu opens the door, Rana opens the door. He drives a car, she drives a car, Peter drives a car, Stella drives a car, Babu drives a car, Rana drives a car. He drinks water, she drinks water, Peter drinks water, Stella drinks water, Babu drinks water, Rana drinks water. Thank you.